Pixdump Part 4, video 467. We have some stuff we need to clean up. Inside of the Pixdump function section within Pixdump run, I made this section called Fucking Hell Man with the current date because all of these fucking names we made are all wrong. Why are they wrong? Because I have very specific rules about how I name my variables. This is 8 letters. That's not allowed. It needs to be 7 letters. I know that's like weird and OCD of me, but I have my reasons because I want to reduce the mental search space for things. So the naming scheme for my variables is there's an optional prefix and then clusters of 3. Clusters of 3 separated by underscore, and you can optionally get rid of the underscore and replace it with a letter. So any of these groupings are valid. Now there's more valid groupings, but this is the basic scheme that we're using. So I turned all of the previous variable names into monkey wrench macros. These are all disallowed names now, and the fix is 7 letters, right? The fix is 7 letters. SAV for save, 2048. That is 7 letters, and then a star here for either PNG file, PNG blob, or PNG download URL. Then down here, we just corrected the mistake. So here we've corrected the mistake, we've corrected the mistake, corrected the mistake, corrected the mistake, corrected the mistake, and corrected the mistake. And then here's a new section of code where we do window.url.revoke_object_URL with the download URL. We gotta free up our memory resources. Now this is very dirty. For the life of me, I can't find any documentation on when this is supposed to be called because this looks like a race condition to me. Maybe it's because I'm used to C code, but oh, we're gonna spawn a window for downloading and then immediately revoke this. That's a race condition. But there's no callback for when this is done downloading. There's no fucking callback, so the best we can do is a fucking race condition. I fucking hate JavaScript sometimes. Here's what we did in this video. If you want a longer explanation, you can go here. You are here. Technical demos are here. Like, subscribe, send money in the mail.